the excessive braiding was leading to breakage. So now with this method, I have a lot less shedding. So here we go. So this is after a relaxer. If you would like to see how I Tex-Lax my hair, please make sure that you check that video out. So now I'm just going to apply this leave-in conditioner in my hair, and my hair is still damp. I also no longer blow dry my hair. I do this method and let it air dry. Now I'm going to put my hair into 2 sections on one side, and I'm going to flatten this side out and put it in a braid as close to my ear as possible. That way when I do apply my wig, everything will still be flat. And for the section behind it, I am going to connect the front braid in with the back braid. And you want to make sure that you keep everything tight but not too tight, because you don't want a lot of stress on your edges. So now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. So after I do that section, the section behind it, I'm going to add in the section in front of it and the section next to it, so that I have only one braid hanging in the back. Now this one, I'm just going to tuck under. Sometimes I like to crochet it through the braid, but then again, the crochet hook can cause breakage and pulling. So for now, I'm just tucking it. So this is the net that I wear under my units. And after I applied some wild growth oil, I just put this cap on and then place my wig on. That easy and that simple. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.